Not every fight is loud. Not every fighter screams. Some fights happen in silence, in your head, in your heart, when nobody's watching. You wake up every day feeling empty, tired, not because your body's weak, but because your soul is. You're fighting thoughts that people will never understand. You smile like you're fine, but deep down, you're hanging on by a thread. You've lost people. You've lost chances. You've lost pieces of yourself. And you wonder, what's the point anymore? But somehow you still show up. You still try. You still keep moving, even when it hurts. That's strength. Not the kind people post about. The kind no one sees. It's when you drag yourself out of bed. When you study even though your mind's not there. When you train even when you feel broken. When you keep going even when you don't believe in yourself anymore. That's the real fight. It's not about proving anyone wrong. It's about not letting the darkness win. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to have it all figured out. You just need to keep going. One step, one breath, one small win at a time. Because one day, you'll look back at this version of you, the tired one, the hurt one, the quiet one, and you'll realize that was the strongest version you ever were. So if nobody claps for you, it's fine. If no one believes in you, it's fine. Because the ones who rise in silence are the ones who stay standing when the noise fades. Keep fighting your quiet fight. You're not weak. You're just rebuilding. And one day, they'll see what pain was creating in you all along. Arise. This is your story. Your fight. Your rise.